The PXIe-4144 is a 4-channel source measure unit, or SMU, designed to support high pin count applications with precision and efficiency. Featuring 4-quadrant operation and integrated remote 4-wire sensing on each channel, it enables highly accurate measurements. Its fast sampling rate minimizes measurement times, captures transient device characteristics, and supports rapid IV characterization of devices under test DUTEs. Additionally, the PXIe-4144's high-speed sequencing engine allows seamless synchronization with other PXI SMUs and instruments, including switches and high-speed digital test modules, enhancing testing efficiency and versatility. Here are some benefits for buying from us. If you're interested in purchasing this part or another, you can request a quote by visiting our website at apexwaves.com or emailing us at sales@apexwaves.com. Begin by plugging the PXIe-4144 to a power supply, then launch NI Measurement and Automation Explorer, or NI Max. Under the Devices and Interfaces tab, locate the PXIe-4144 module. Click on the module, and then select Test Panels from the top toolbar to open the control interface for the PXIe-4144. Within the Test Panels, you can configure the channel's operating mode by selecting from options like Idle, Voltage, or Current mode. Here, you can also set the voltage level, apply limits, and toggle the output between on and off. To source a specified level on this channel, set the channel output to on. If you want to measure the level without sourcing, switch the channel output to off. In this example, set the voltage level to 1.99 volts and turn the output to on. The graphs on the left will update, displaying real-time measurements of both voltage and current for this channel. Below the graph, you'll also find calculated metrics, such as mean, minimum, maximum, range, standard deviation, and count for the displayed data. Next, adjust the voltage level to 6 volts. Please note the PXIe-4144 can measure up to, but not beyond, 6 volts. To expand the setup, you can add and configure additional channels on the PXIe-4144, up to 4 channels total. Navigate to the right panel to add channels and adjust settings, ensuring the configurations match across all 4 channels for uniform testing, which we demonstrate here. As each channel is activated, the graph will automatically update, providing real-time visualization and detailed measurements for each individual channel. This concludes our tech tutorial on how to use the PXIe-4144. If you have any additional questions, please visit our website at apexwaves.com, where our dedicated team is ready to provide the support you need. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product highlights, how-tos, and industry insights.